guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be reviewing a Touche Eclat Le Cushion. So it's a new foundation which is in cushion form, and I haven't tried one since my Mgc one that I bought from Japan when I visited over a year ago. This is in SPF 50 and PA+3. It's in the colour almond, so if that's something you're interested in, or you're just looking a little bit in terms of the application, if you want to try something different, then please continue watching. I'm going to quickly cut into now how I prepped my skin for this video and the products that I use and I'm loving at the moment. Make sure to have a little watch. If you like videos like this, remember to leave me a comment down below, like and subscribe if you are interested in seeing more in the future. But anyway, I'll get straight on with the video and thank you already for clicking.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads, beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget, but baby we'll fall. We all go dancing down, and paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping now. So there ain't no stopping now. No, there ain't no stopping now. There ain't no stopping
Okay, now on with the video. So in terms of my skin, how I prepped it, you've just seen. I wanted a really nice light moisturized feel. I didn't want to leave it too thick. I also wanted to give it a fair review. So in a way, I wanted to stick to what I've been using the past few weeks. So let's go ahead and open the actual packaging. So this is like a collector package. So it has, if anyone recognizes, Touche Eclat pens had like limited editions. So this is really cool that they've got this. And it has a applicator which says natural finish and sophisticated finish. I think I'd always want sophisticated. So two sides to it. Wow. So I'm guessing this has a denser side which picks up more product for the sophisticated finish. So I'm just going to open up. And it has a, ooh, it's already like a bubble on it. You can see that. So it has the Saint Laurent logo and motifs here, all over. And it's super moist. It's like wet, bubbling. It's obviously excited to see me. So let's get ahead with the application. The one thing that I'm slightly worried about with the SPF being so high built into the foundation is that there was kind of a bit of flashback with my Mgc one that I got. Gave beautiful coverage, but just sometimes in photos I didn't like the look so much. Oh wow, it actually imprinted the logo on. That is cool. I'm gonna do half the face with the natural finish and half the face with the sophisticated one. It's actually got a number on it, so the natural finish is actually the denser one. Oh, how confusing. So I'm saturating it. I was so worried with the colour, guys. Okay, I'm gonna peel this off. So I'm going in again. Okay, it smells exactly like the Touche Eclat cream foundation. Exactly like it. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of wish, it's kind of hard with the applicator because I feel like I would just want to use it all. I wouldn't want two sides to it. So in a way, it's kind of annoying. That's my honesty. It's slightly warmer for my skin tone. I've got to admit. This is called, I think, B30 Almond. I'll have it down in the description. This is extremely warm, so if this oxidizes, obviously it looks super like yellow. But a nice dewy finish. Not sure. I do like it though. Right, let's go in with the other side. So this is sophisticated finish. Oh my days. Okay, this holds a lot more product. You can literally tell the difference. Higher coverage, and I actually put more on this one, as in like going back into the actual pot. It looks quite pale on camera, but it's very, very, very warm. Very warm, but it's really nice. And now I'm just gonna kind of go over with a makeup brush. I always like to blend out with a brush anyway. So in terms of, now I'm totally stuffing each side used, we demonstrated the differences in terms of the higher coverage for the sophisticated finish, and the more natural one was more of a dewy kind of look. So obviously I have nothing else makeup wise on. Naming almond, it's like almond biscuit, extremely beige. Gives me a bit of a Chanel foundation vibe, definitely in the way that it's already starting to oxidize on the skin. Feels extremely, extremely lightweight. The fact that it's SPF 50 goes unnoticed, which is pretty cool. I love the packaging. I think it's really smart. It's not cheap. And one thing I realized with, they're also fingerprint magnets. The one thing that I remembered with my Mgc one is that it would last a long time, but it could dry out. I also realised that in the Mgc one and the one that I got from Line Friends, I did a review on this. This was a long time ago in my videos. I'll put a link below. And that lasted me a long time, and it had a refill included. This doesn't, and for the amount of cost, yeah, that's a lot. It comes with no refill. Honestly speaking, I think I want to give a really, really, really fair review. If you're in two minds whether to get the cream foundation, it's going to depend on what things you're doing. For summer, for on the go, on the beach, on top of your sun cream, a cushion is my best friend. It's easy that you can throw in your bag, you can touch up easily, you're not so much kind of searching for like that powdered matte look, you like the glow. So in a way, as glowy and dewy as it will go, and when I've seen reviews on YouTube, they kind of go quite dewy throughout the day, that's a time of the year that you don't mind that. Whereas this isn't as high SPF, this is, I think, only SPF 15 or 20. So I would say autumn, winter, spring, summer. Together, perfect. Ideally you would get it in the same shade, so this is actually, oh wow. This is a shade darker, this is B40 and this is B30. Oh wow, okay. So this is actually, I should have got it the other way around. I don't know why. It just looked like a nice shade and I wanted to kind of have it. I'm really bad with that sometimes. I'll go with like a shade that I want to be, rather than the one I truly am. Oh, I'm sure I'm not alone in every facet of my statement. Okay, so you watched me put the concealer under my eye, blended very, very easily. It already has a slight dry down to the cushion's texture. So in a way, it felt really comfortable adding it on. But again, if I do touch it, it does transfer. So wrong top for me to be wearing, and I would probably be wearing dark. So with that, I will say goodbye, and I hope you enjoy the video. And yeah, share some love, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye.